Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix your WhatsApp is slowing down on your browser. So it's a very easy to fix. First, what you have to do is you have to open the WhatsApp in your web browser and then press in your keyboard Control Shift and R. It will going to reload the page completely and you're going to get the expected result that it's loading your WhatsApp again. Now, there is another way to solve this problem to check your internet connection. What you can do, you can simply go for another new tab and check your internet is correctly working or not. And then create a new tab and simply go for downdetector.com, and then there you can simply search for WhatsApp and you're going to see that is WhatsApp is getting reportedly like is there any outrage detected or not. If it's detected, then wait and try later. There is another method to solve this problem. Just simply check your link device. Just open WhatsApp to go to the setting and click on linked devices, and there you can simply see your make sure that your WhatsApp web is active. If not, then relink the device. To relink the WhatsApp web, you have to click on this three dot and then select the scanner code. You can simply scan this code and then you can simply log in again. After, you can simply clear browser cache and cookies. You can simply go to browser settings and then click on clear cache and cookies for web and whatsapp.com, and after clearing this, it will going to solve your problem. There is another method that disable browser extension. Some extension can may slow down WhatsApp web, so make sure these are the extension you should need to uncheck it. After, you can simply use different browser. If you're using Google Chrome, then try into the Microsoft Edge or Mozilla Firefox or Brave. I hope your problem will be solved. If you're using a laptop, check your battery saver. Is it turning on or off? Sometimes battery saver is turning down your WhatsApp performance, so better check it. And the last one is to keep your phone connected with your WhatsApp web. So these are the settings that can help you to fix your problem. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in the videos. Till then, goodbye.